Hey you all, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Bookmap to BitFlyer. And if you want to do this, first thing that we are going to do is go to settings and click on manage plugins. Then right here we search here for BitFlyer, there it is, and then we click on install. So now he's downloading the plugin and it's done. Then after this we click on OK, and then we go here to connections and then configure. Then we click right here on add connection and then we select right here BitFlyer and then he will automatically pop up right here in this list. Then after that we click on OK, and then if we go now to connections, we can click right here on BitFlyer, and then right now he's connecting and now he's saying connecting again. And in a few seconds he says connected. So this is how you can connect Bookmap to BitFlyer. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.